Some people think big is the best, but remember, small is the smartest. This is the story of world first ever Ceylon Tea medium portrait artist. Story comes from southern Sri Lanka Galle district beautiful lower hill village called Heniduma. Village Heniduma is also famous for its biogeniqueness. As a result, won the attention of international biological journalists and researchers too. Misty mornings. Sunny afternoons. Rainy evenings and nights are mostly common in this area. Annual rainfall is between 2000 mm to 2500 mm, bit similar to Nuwara. On the other hand, this beautiful village Heniduma is situated between World Heritage Singaraja and Kanneliya, two rainforests. Even Singaraja rainforest boundary's main entrance, Lankagama, is owned to Heniduma electorate. As a result, much blessings of beautiful sceneries and tropical rainforest climate, ideal for tea cultivation, especially for low-grown Ruhuna region Ceylon teas. Moreover, Heniduma is famous for Haycock Mountain, which is considered as highest mountain in Galle district as well as southern province in Sri Lanka, very popular for hiking and trekking. Heniduma Natural Eco Calvary Shrine and Gin River facing Catholic Church. This is considered as one of the most beautiful natural Eco Calvary shrine in world, as well as second oldest Calvary shrine in Sri Lanka. Gagala Aranya Senasana, famous among researchers regarding old natural Buddhist monastery and fully handcrafted amazing rock statues built by a former village monk, late Sumana Jyoti Thera. Gin River. Gin River is considered as the fastest and furious river which falling down to sea in Sri Lanka, ideal for adventurous tours, water rafting, kayaking programs, as well as very important for ecological balance in Galle district. Number 5 is world's first ever Ceylon tea medium portrait artist, the story of Calvary's handmade tea. This amazing tea story comes from a small tea land near Hiliduma, Gin River edge and the valley of Haycock Mountain. Late Mr. Nanda Siriwardana was the first planter of this tea land. He was a renowned tea professional in all tea control department and tea smallholding development authority. He had started first tea cultivation in this land 1989, and also he had won hearts of villagers by supporting to solve issues related to tea cultivation, even personally beyond his duty. In 1994, once he had some record as tea smallholder by taking highest monthly crop from this small tea land in Galle district. But unfortunately, after his death, tea project has stopped. No one cared or attracted. Then passed few decades, and after a long break, daughter of Mr. Nanda Siriwardana has restarted tea cultivation in a most challenging year in Ceylon tea industry. One day in a leisure time, she has tried to combine most interested subject, hand-drawing portrait art with Ceylon teacup. It was the world's first ever Ceylon tea medium portrait art introduced fully hand-drawn, natural, eco-friendly tea portrait paintings in year 2023. Freshness first, beyond ordinary. Sometimes more hardships brings more creativity. Made according to Ceylonese ancestral technique, combining with her own skills.
Every morning I drink Calvary's tea is the best. Yummy.
Introduced many of new handmade tea crafts. Suli tea, made according to sketched whirlpool shape of Gin River. Galle Siri. This design has dedicated to late Mr. Nanda Siriwardana, first staff clerk of Tea Smallholding Development Authority, Galle Fort Branch. Ananga Love Tea. This is an astrological based love tea made according to Sri Lankan traditional astrological calendar called Litha. This tea should drink according to most auspicious time of two partners' horoscopes. Calvary's handcrafted Black Rose, exclusive design of Calvary's handmade tea, first time introduced in year 2022. This design available in extremely small quantities and very rare. As Calvary's handmade tea founder, she has all copyright of about tea creations. Premium quality and made with 2 leaves and bud or with best leaves only. Brotherhood with other artisan farmers in village. This tea project has a target to support village community and support to bring village artisan skills to the world. Mr. Vikung, village wood crafting artist. Some people love vintage look of tea. Tea can be used also as dye. Mr. Kavi, village traditional Kandyan dancing master as well as traditional drum player, also representing Sri Dalada Maligawa processor. She said even now it feels like battling to move forward as a Sri Lankan small artisan tea planter, especially as a women tea entrepreneur. So far, it hasn't been an easy job, country like Sri Lanka. But she is working hard to complete next step of the project. It is the Tea Art Gallery of world first ever Ceylon tea based portrait artist.